Hey guys, it's Nick here from F150LEDs.com. Today we're going to be showing you how easy it is to install our CREE Spartan Reverse Lights on a 21 and up F150 Raptor. These lights are extremely easy to install, incredibly bright, and they're going to make you and your family safer at night. We highly recommend the upgrade, and we're going to show you how easy it is right now. First, let's take a look at everything that's going to be included in your reverse light kit. Today, we're going to be utilizing our Duo Spartan lights, but you have the option of our Quad Spartan lights for maximum light output. Along with the lights that are going to be included, you're also going to get all of the necessary hardware for mounting to your Raptor, as well as the included harness. And it's going to be thermal sheathed, so that's going to protect it against abrasion, snags, and heat. This harness is set up to automatically turn your reverse lights on and off with the reverse lights already on your truck. Now you have a couple options if you don't want to utilize this harness. And one we're going to be using today, which is our 7-pin reverse light adapter. So this allows you to plug directly into your trailer adapter and then right into the lights. No splicing, nothing complicated. This just makes the installation extremely easy. So we're going to be utilizing that today. Along with that, you're going to get any connectors you need and some zip ties to clean up the wiring when we're done. Next, let's get our Spartan light here ready to mount to the truck. So we're going to take our C channel bracket, make sure the C here is facing towards the front of your light, like so. And then you're going to want to make sure that your Spartan wording is here at the top because this light's going to be hanging. So go ahead and insert your bracket here, and then you're going to want to line it up with our threaded insert here on the side. And then we're going to take one of these small bolts with our lock washer. And then we're just going to go ahead and feed it through that opening. And once we get the, go ahead and hand thread it until it gets firm, and then we're going to go and put this side on as well. Then we're going to take the included Allen wrench and we'll begin tightening. We're probably going to get it to about 50%. Once you get both sides about 50% and you can freely move your bracket, let's go ahead and add our bolt. So we're just going to slide it under and up and through. And this bolt here is going to be used to attach to our Raptor bracket once we get this mounted to the truck. Now that we've got that fed through, you can go ahead and tighten this side brackets until they're firm, and this bracket's not going to be moving on you. You can go ahead and make sure that the angle is correct also here. So you're going to want your light pointed, straight out or slightly angled down, because for this application and your reverse lights, you're going to want a lot of that light hitting the ground. Now that we've got our light ready here, we can repeat that exact same process for our other light, and then we can move to the truck and attach our Raptor bracket. We're going to start here on the passenger side, and next to the exhaust, you're going to notice this Torx 40 bolt. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and remove that. Now that we've got that removed, we're going to put that through our bracket here that we're going to mount directly to the Raptor. So we're going to put that through the base of this bracket, and we're going to mount it with this top side up. And now we're just going to reinstall this Torx 40. Make sure that it's straight. Otherwise your light might be slightly tilted. Looks good. Now we're going to mount our Spartan directly to this Raptor hanger bracket. Now there are some multiple options. We're going to go all the way in and use the hole here closest to the bumper. But if you're looking to get light outside to the sides around this exhaust, you can come further out. But we're going to go all the way back here, and then we're going to take our lock washer, set it over the top, and then our nut. Go ahead and get that hand tight. Now we've got our light. Now, one thing you'll want to note before we tighten this nut down is you do have adjustability to slide your light left and right. We're just going to kind of put it right here in the middle between the exhaust and this rear hook. Once we're happy with that, we'll be able to take a size 13 wrench here at the top and a size 14 here below. And then we'll be able to tighten the light in place. Once that's secure, make sure your angle is how you like it. Really, you're gonna want this light slightly pointing down. If you want all your light right here behind the truck, you can go further than that. But this is typically ideal, especially with this ultra short throw optic here. Now we'll be able to feed our tri-core connector. We're behind the bumper. There's kind of an opening here. Might be hard to see on camera. And then we'll be able to connect it to our harness after we get our light installed on the driver's side. And that's going to be the exact same process. For today's installation, as we mentioned earlier, we're going to be using our easy 7-pin adapter. So this adapter is going to connect right to our trailer adapter here. Now it's hard to show you how to do this on camera, on video, because you're going to be able to get under the bumper and see the backside of this unit and understand what's happening. But because there's spare tires there, it's hard for us to get our camera there. So what we've done is we pulled this assembly out of the bumper so that we can show you what's happening here on camera. Now you don't have to pull this out. If you choose to, there's 2 metal tabs, one on each side, and by pushing those in, you'll be able to slide it out just like we did. So that's option 1. You can go under the bumper and access this connector, or option 2, you can pull it away from the bumper just like we are showing you how to do right now. So now we're going to take our 7-pin adapter and we need to insert it in between this connector and the harness side connector of the truck. So to do that, we need to pull this gray tab back. Helps if you have like a little flathead screwdriver, but now that we've moved this metal tab all the way back, we'll be able to push down on this black piece, and that will allow us to pull away from this 7-pin adapter. So now we've got our harness side here, and we're going to take this longer portion. We're going to slide it right into place. Make sure you push in all the way, and then we'll be able to put this gray tab back down. And then on our other side here, we can go and push that through. Now we can take this side, we're going to connect it back to our assembly here. So you push all the way in. Okay. Now we'll be able to feed our leads for each light through the connector, or through the opening, I should say. And then we'll be able to push everything back into place. So this is the little bit tight spot if you are doing option B, like we're showing you here, versus just installing it right behind the bumper. But we've got plenty of room, I think. Let's see. Oops. There we go. Everything fit in. Now we got ready to push this back into place. Push those tabs back in, and now our adapter is installed, and we'll be able to take our leads from that adapter and connect them to our tri-core connectors from each light. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, making sure that we hear that click so that we know that weather seal is firmly put in place. And now we can run our other light lead to the passenger side. And then once we've got this light connected, we'll be able to use the included zip ties to clean up any extra harness we have up under the bumper, and we'll be done. So that's all there is to installing our CREE Spartan Mark II reverse lights on your 21 and up F-150 Raptor. We guarantee you're going to love them. You can check them out right now at f150leds.com, where you'll be able to find all of our custom-built LED lighting products made specifically for your F-150 Raptor. We truly appreciate your support, and we can't wait to see you soon at f150leds.com. Be sure you're subscribed below so you don't miss out on any of our new products that we're constantly innovating and creating. Plus, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at F150 LEDs. We truly appreciate you guys. Can't wait to serve you soon. Thanks.